This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a bed liner, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, a folding second row, and aluminum wheels. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Lamarque Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3101 Williams Boulevard in Kenner.